All right, so now this is the graph in inequalities. That's the sheet 44 and 45. Now, if you look on my videos, the previous videos, they have the basic solving inequalities and graphing. So I'm going to the complex part, which is the compound inequalities, and then I'm going to do one down here into the challenge portion where we're going to either have no solution or all real numbers. All right, so looking at this, for numbers 37 through 42, looks like the most complex one would be 42. So that 0 is less than or equal to 3/4 x plus 3, which is less than or equal to 4. So that's it over here. So I just need to get x. In this case, we normally say on the side by itself, but in its position by itself, because this is a compound inequality. So I'm looking at the middle. So it looks like I need to get rid of this 3 and that 3/4. So I'm going to get rid of the 3 first because I know it'll go after the number next to the variable last. So that's minus 3. But I'm a minus 3 everywhere, in every section. So here's 0 minus 3 is a negative 3, less than or equal to 3/4 x, which is less than or equal to 1. So now I got this fraction that I need to get rid of. Remember on that last video, to get rid of the fraction that's being multiplied, I need to multiply by the flip, the reciprocal. So I'll multiply every side by the flip of 3/4, which is 4/3. Every side by 4/3, the flip of 3/4. So I'll get here the 3 and a negative 3. So it'll leave me with a negative 1 times the 4. So that's a negative 4. So less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4/3. So we can recall the instruction said to solve and then to graph the solution. So I put my two numbers on the number line. Those are my boundary numbers. That's from that video that's talking about graphing inequalities. And these are both less than or equal to, so that means that my numbers are included. My boundary numbers are included. And since x is in between, I shade in between. And that's it.